I'm architect Raj Vaswani, and in this ACE course you will be learning Photoshop. Architects and interior designers all over the world use Photoshop to impress their clients because Photoshop helps bring more clarity into the drawings. Apart from this, if you're a student, then you can use Photoshop to get amazing grades in your juries, and trust me, I have done this all throughout my architectural career. And now when we talk about Photoshop, we cover various different things in this course. From section 1, where we explain the basics, all the interface, how do you use the tools as well as the layers. In section 2, we see how you render plans and create shadows and materials. In section 3, we see what is furniture about, how do you actually create an elevation render, how do you do massing in elevation. In section 4, we cover a section render where we explain to you all how artificial lighting can take place, how do you show interior shadows. In section 5, we cover site plan render, master plan render, and how do you actually use different transformation tools from mirroring to cropping, and all of these within this particular section. In section 6, we'll be seeing how do you use all of these particular renders and compile a beautiful sheet to impress your clients or even your jurors. In section 7 and 8, we'll be seeing how do you create illustrations and post-productions. Basically, these are editings of 3D models. So it could be a 3D model or it could be a 3D view, but it will be covered in this course. It's a vast course which covers everything that Photoshop has to offer. So if you're looking to learn Photoshop, then why are you waiting? You'll get 365 days access to this course. So jump right into it.